Every morning when you open your eyes, you're faced with a choice. The choice to rise or to retreat, the choice to fight or to falter, the choice to dominate or to simply exist. It's not about what happens to you, it's about how you respond. Every single day is a new battle, and you are the warrior, the gladiator stepping into the arena of life. But remember, the greatest battle you'll ever face is the one within yourself. The battle against your doubts, your fears, your laziness, and your comfort. This isn't just another day. It's an opportunity, a chance to be better, stronger, and more resilient than you were yesterday. How you start your day is how you live your day, and how you live your day is how you live your life. Now let's get real. Let's talk about what it takes to win that battle every single day. You have to understand something. If you don't execute on the plan, if you don't get up in the morning when you're tired, when fear is trying to hold you back, you're not just cheating yourself. You're cheating your family, your team, everyone who believes in you. It's bigger than you. The stakes are higher than just your comfort. Your actions don't just affect your life. They ripple out and impact the lives of everyone around you. Every decision you make either brings you closer to your goals or further away. When you choose to push forward despite the discomfort, you're not just winning for yourself. You're winning for all those who depend on you. But listen, hard work is a bridge between those dreams and reality. There's no magic wand, no secret shortcut. You can't wish your way to success. It's the grind, the relentless pursuit of what you want that separates the winners from the rest. Every sweat drop, every late night, every early morning is building the foundation for your success. You have to understand that there is no substitute for hard work, because here's the truth. You're not the only one who wants it. You've got to outwork, outgrind, outlast. It's about getting up earlier, staying up later, going from 70% effort to 120%. It's not just about the hours you put in, but the intensity, the focus, the commitment to see it through. Every day you have to decide, are you going to be the one who settles, or are you going to be the one who dominates? Every moment is an opportunity to push harder, to go further, to exceed your own expectations. There's no room for complacency in the pursuit of greatness. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is not talent, but perseverance. I know the pressure you feel, the weight of the world pushing you to be a billionaire by the time you're 30 or 40. But here's the deal. It's hard. It's not for everyone. But if you're willing to put in 18 hours a day, every day, without compromise, you've got a shot. The road to success is paved with sacrifices, long hours, and countless obstacles. It's a grind that tests your limits and reveals your true potential. Remember, the greater the challenge, the greater the reward. And if you're not willing to go all in, someone else will. Let me tell you something. I'm here today because I outworked everyone else. Before I ever stood on a stage, I cleaned one. When everyone left, I stayed. I didn't get here because I was the best speaker or the best singer. I got here because I served when nobody was watching. And that's what it takes. It's the work you do in the dark that puts you in the light. The hours you spend perfecting your craft, honing your skills, are what set you apart from the rest. Success isn't about talent alone. It's about the relentless dedication to mastering your craft when no one is looking. You might think that if you pray hard enough, if you believe strong enough, that things will just happen. But listen to me. Prayer without action is empty. Faith without work is dead. You've got to keep grinding every single day. One step forward is better than standing still. Keep putting in the work because change is coming, but only if you're ready for it. Success requires both faith and action. You must be willing to do the work and trust the process, even when the results aren't immediately visible. What happens if you wake up 60 days from now and everything's different except you? If you're still the same person, you'll get the same results. You've got to work while you wait. Work on your focus. Work on your perspective. Work on yourself. It's not just about achieving the goal. It's about becoming the person who's worthy of the goal. Your future depends on the actions you take today. Growth happens in the small, consistent efforts you make every day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it with the work you do now. The person you become in the process is the greatest reward. Greatness is within you, but it's going to take courage, self-discipline, and all the non-cognitive skills. Things like grit, perseverance, determination. These are the things that set you apart, that make you unstoppable. It's not just about being smart or talented or having the right connections. It's about how much heart you've got, how much fight is in you, how much you're willing to sacrifice to get where you want to go. Success doesn't come easy, and it doesn't come quickly. It's about pushing through the pain, embracing the challenges, and refusing to quit. Your potential is limitless, but it's up to you to unlock it right. Now I want you to think about your goal. Visualize it. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Now say it with me. It's possible. Say it again. It's possible. That's the first step. Most people live in poverty far below their potential. Not because they lack capacity, but because they don't believe they can have more than what they currently have. Belief is the foundation of all success. Without it, even the greatest efforts can fall short. When you truly believe in your goal, you're willing to do whatever it takes to achieve it. Your mindset is the key to unlocking the doors of opportunity. Every day, you've got to see your challenges differently. Stop cutting corners. Stop looking for the easy way out. Every A isn't really an A if you cheated to get it. You're only robbing yourself. So I need you to work while you wait. Work on your faith. Work on your resilience. Wake up every day and say, today ain't the day, but my day is coming. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and smarter. It's not about avoiding the hard work. It's about embracing it. True success is earned, not given. Your integrity and effort are what will ultimately set you apart from the rest. You have enough right now to flip this world upside down. You have enough power, enough grace, enough talent to change everything about your world. For the things you're believing in, you've got to do everything within your power, whether it's getting the proper sleep, learning your craft, or putting in those extra hours. It's about doing every single bit of that work. And then trust that if it's supposed to happen, it will happen. The resources you need are already within you. It's about tapping into your inner strength and unleashing your full potential. The combination of effort, faith, and persistence is what brings your dreams to life. Don't underestimate the power of your own determination. The dream is possible, but it's the hard part, the work, the grind that makes it real. It's about facing your fears, looking at your insecurities, and finding the drive within yourself to push through. The passion you're looking for is already inside you. It's in those insecurities, those fears. That's where the fuel lies. Every obstacle is an opportunity to prove to yourself just how much you want it. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about making the most of every moment you have. Your fears and doubts are not roadblocks. They're the fuel that drives you forward when you embrace them. You become unstoppable. Work on yourself. Stop trying to change everyone and everything around you. The only person you can change is you. Dominate every day. Outwork, outlast, outgrind. And when your moment comes, you'll be ready. Change begins within. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, not just for you, but for those around you. When you focus on your own growth and development, everything else falls into place. Your success is a reflection of your commitment to self-improvement. The most powerful change happens when you take full responsibility for your own life. You are the architect of your destiny, and the work you do on yourself today will determine the life you live tomorrow. You see, life's not just about hitting goals. It's about the journey, the process, the person you become along the way. Every obstacle you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Don't shy away from the hard days. Embrace them. Those are the days that forge your character, that shape your destiny. When you're tired, when you feel like giving up, remember why you started. Remember the people who are counting on you, your family, your friends, your team. Remember that every step you take, every ounce of effort you put in, is moving you closer to the life you want. But understand this. You can't do it alone. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better, who hold you accountable, who lift you up when you're down. Success isn't a solo journey. It's a team effort. And when you find those people, hold on to them, because they're as rare as diamonds. But even with the best support system, the hard work is yours to do. No one else can put in the hours for you. No one else can push through the pain, the frustration, the setbacks. That's on you. So embrace it. Love the grind, because it's shaping you into the person you need to be to achieve your dreams. And let me tell you, the grind doesn't end when you hit one goal. The moment you achieve something, you set your sights on the next mountain to climb. That's the life of a winner. Constant growth, constant improvement. Never settling, never stopping. So, what are you waiting for? The world doesn't owe you anything. If you want something, you've got to go out and take it. Be relentless. Be unshakable. Be the person who refuses to quit, no matter how hard it gets. Because in the end, the only person who can stop you is you. Dominate every day. Don't just survive. Thrive. Don't just compete. Dominate. And when it's all said and done, when you look back on your life, you'll know that you gave it everything you had. And then some embrace the grind, outwork the competition, and dominate every day.